Hello everyone. Now let us see application of matrix diagonalization. Here we will see how we can calculate the state transition matrix using matrix diagonalization. Already we have seen calculation of state transition matrix using a Laplace transform with the help of relation inverse Laplace of Si minus A inverse. So to define a state transition matrix using matrix diagonalization, first we will consider homogeneous state equation that is given by x dot equal to Ax. I am writing a homogeneous state equation from a state equation or according to x dot equal to Ax plus Bu after assuming u equal to 0. Now variable x is transformed using a similarity transformation. In previous video class, we used similarity transformation according to x equal to pz. Therefore, x dot becomes pz dot. Now put the value of x dot and x in first equation. So we can write first equation as pz dot equal to apz. Now multiplying on both sides by P inverse. So we have P inverse P z dot equal to P inverse A P z. And we know P inverse P will define identity matrix. So we have z dot equal to P inverse A P z. The matrix P inverse AP is a diagonal one and it is denoted by suppose symbol D. So we have z dot equal to dz. Suppose equation third. So we can write solution of third equation according to z equal to e to the power dt z0. And we know z equal to P inverse x and z0 equal to P inverse x0. From x equal to pz we can write z equal to P inverse x. So we can write z0 equal to P inverse x0. So let us put the value of z. P inverse x equal to e to the power dt and z0 we have P inverse x0. So we have x equal to P e to the power dt P inverse x0 or pre-multiplying both sides by P, pre-multiplying both sides by p. So we have x equal to p e to the power dt p inverse x 0. Thus we can say a state transition matrix is given by e to the power at. It is notation for the state transition matrix, or phi of t equal to p e to the power dt p inverse. This is my state transition matrix using diagonalization. D you can calculate with the help of relation P inverse AP. So here a matrix P is given by, we can define matrix P according to 1 lambda 1 square up to lambda 1 n minus 1. In second column 1 lambda 2 square lambda 2 power n minus 1. Similarly in last column 1 lambda n power 2 lambda n power n minus 1. So this is model matrix with reference to phase variable form of matrix A is denoted as matrix P, where lambda 1, lambda 2 up to lambda n are different eigenvalues of matrix A, which is given in a phase variable form. So this from this method we can calculate state transition matrix using diagonalization with the help of relation P e to the power dt P inverse. So this will define state transition matrix. So thank you.